Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a gradient background in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and on the screen you can see at the bottom there's a little plus sign right beside project. Tap on it and select create a new design option. Once you do that, you'll get a blank page. Now on the bottom of your screen again you can see there's design, elements, text, camera roll, brand, uploads, etc. You have to select elements and look for gradient in the search bar. There you can select any gradient graphics. Now once you do that, you have to fit it into the page. Then on the bottom of your screen you can see there are 3 color options. Select one and you can customize the color. Now select on the other and you can choose your own color again. There you go. Now you have a customizable gradient background in Canva app. You can add any elements, text, images or anything there. And guys, that's it. That's how you get a gradient background using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.